Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to manually set your existing contacts over at HubSpot as marketing contacts from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to make sure of and do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your HubSpot account as an administrator. So as you can see, here's what the dashboard looks like, and the idea here is you would want to get access to the contacts tab. Now, the Contacts tab is accessible on the top left corner of your screen. So you'd want to navigate to that. So it's this one right here. Click on Contacts, and there should be a drop down where you'll be met with a bunch of different options. And from here, you'd want to choose Contacts again. Now, it should take you to this page right here. And you want to make sure that the filter that you guys are at is the All Contacts tab. So it's this one right here. And when you guys want to actually add these specific contacts to the marketing contacts on your HubSpot, you want to highlight them by clicking on this little box right here. So this will actually highlight all of them like so. And then you want to click on Add View. And then you want to select Marketing Contacts. So you want to make sure that when you add this new category right here, you want to make sure that everyone that's highlighted are the people that you want to add to your marketing contacts. So you can see here that under all contacts and marketing contacts, they're all the same. So I have the filters enabled, and whenever someone checks to see whether someone is part of the marketing contacts, they'll find them on this tab right here. Now, if you want to do it manually, you guys could click on Assign for the entries that you have selected and choose a contact owner. Now you could do one for a specific person, or you could do one for the group and click on update, and that should do it. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully it helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.